Hey, good morning. Welcome to the Morning Brief. Today's Monday, June 29th. So what's going on from forexfactory.com calendar? We have very little. Do you see any no U.S. scheduled news? So absolutely nothing. The only thing of real interest is a orange item from Europe at 1:30 p.m. where ECB President Lagarde speaking. So that's our version of the Federal Reserve. So she speaks, people listen, at least in Europe. And European interest rates will affect U.S. interest rates. So 1:30 ECB President Lagarde speaking. That's all we've got for today. Moving on, looking at the daily chart, we are gapping way up, back up against the 50-day moving average. We're currently below the 50-day and the 20-day. We're also below the trend line. That being said, we have a high volume node just above here at 74.78. That could be a magnet on the upside. Of course, the moving averages in the trend line will also be resistance. Resistance is right around that 7,500 area. Where can we go? Well, if we really get going, we might get up into the 75.50 area. I feel that that's fairly unlikely. I think we're going to probably go sideways for a little bit today and then rotate back down and continue the short-term downtrend. Medium-term sideways, long-term still up, although we have broken a major trend line. Volume for a Friday, it's average. Nothing to write home about there. Looking at the inventory, it was negative on a negative day. Those are correlated, so we're not too worried about it. Overnight action, approximately 77 points. That's well above average, well above the new average, really. That's a lot of action overnight. High volatility. We need to be very careful. Where is support and resistance? We've got resistance just above the high overnight, or right at the overnight high, around 74, 70, 73 area, 74, 84. 7506. Of course, 7,500 is the big number. Everybody you're watching. 75.25. Where is resistance? Great question. There is some resistance around the overnight low. This is just below 7,400. Imagine just below the whole number. 73.90, 73.81, 73.66, 73.60-ish. Again, 73.46-ish. There's a couple things around there, and that's about it. So hope you have a wonderful day. Remember to subscribe and like. And 61.9 is the Stock Traders Almanac. That the market will be up today. Have a great day. Happy trading. See you tomorrow. Hey, thanks for watching the Morning Brief. Check out my website for more information, oneononetrading.com. Take a look at the Troy levels, a trade location finder for the futures markets. Help you find those levels of support and resistance that are just so hard to find. I also do personal coaching and mentorships. So go ahead and take a look at my website, oneononetrading.com.